What if one of Earth's oldest trees could fit in the palm of your hand? Its story begins in forests that existed long before human history. Today, that ancient legacy survives through the art of bonsai. The Ginkgo lineage stretches back more than 200 million years. Its ancestors thrived while dinosaurs wandered prehistoric landscapes. Ancient fossils reveal leaves almost unchanged through vast ages. Few living species remain so faithful to their ancient form. For centuries, temples helped preserve this remarkable survivor. These venerable trees became symbols of endurance and continuity. In nature, ginkgo grows into a tall and majestic tree. Its upright form reflects strength, balance, and quiet elegance. Over decades, branches develop a graceful architectural structure. The fan-shaped leaf makes ginkgo instantly recognizable worldwide. Each leaf captures light with remarkable simplicity and beauty. Its changing seasons add to its timeless appeal. Every ginkgo bonsai begins as a young tree with promise. Development comes slowly, requiring patience and long-term vision. Careful pruning begins shaping the future character of the tree. Year by year, branch structure becomes increasingly refined. Eventually, an ancient giant is recreated in miniature. The finished bonsai embodies centuries of natural evolution. Its leaves remain the most celebrated feature of the species. Their elegant shape creates beauty through simplicity alone. Distinctive veins spread outward in a unique natural pattern. Spur shoots emerge, adding character and seasonal interest. The trunk slowly gains the appearance of great age. Together, these qualities create a truly timeless silhouette. The graceful character of ginkgo lends itself beautifully to a variety of classic bonsai styles. Formal, upright styles complement the tree's natural growth habit. Broom styles highlight balance, symmetry, and fine ramification. Informal, upright forms introduce movement while preserving elegance. Twin trunks can suggest companionship across generations. Forest plantings recreate entire landscapes in miniature form. Whatever the style, simplicity often suits ginkgo best. Each season reveals a different chapter in the life of the ginkgo bonsai. Spring begins with delicate buds awakening from dormancy. Fresh leaves unfold, bringing new energy to the tree. Summer reveals a canopy of vibrant green foliage. As temperatures cool, subtle hints of gold emerge. Then comes autumn's spectacular transformation into pure gold. Golden leaves drift gently, marking the season's passage. Winter unveils the elegant framework hidden beneath. For centuries, ginkgo has symbolized resilience and longevity. Its presence has enriched temples, gardens, and sacred spaces. Some trees have witnessed hundreds of years of history. These qualities make ginkgo highly respected in bonsai culture. An aged bonsai reflects decades of careful refinement. Its quiet presence invites contemplation and appreciation. Healthy growth begins with abundant sunlight and fresh air. Consistent watering supports strong seasonal development. Regular pruning maintains balance and refined proportions. Branch structure improves gradually through years of care. Each passing season contributes to the bonsai story. With patience, a ginkgo bonsai can endure for generations. Few bonsai connect us so directly to ancient history. Its leaves preserve a design tested through deep time. Its trunk records years of growth and perseverance. Every falling leaf reflects the beauty of impermanence. Small in size, yet immense in historical significance. Its presence reminds us that age and wisdom endure. Even a single leaf can tell an ancient story. A living fossil, continuing its timeless journey in miniature. Our journey through the world's most remarkable bonsai continues. See you in the next chapter.